Hello everybody, today in front of me I have CHUWI HiPad X tablet, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can easily share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, we gotta somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings page. The easiest and quickest way to do that is to swipe down from the top part of your display in order for the notification and control panel to appear. Expand the shortcuts section, find or locate the Wi-Fi shortcut. It looks just like so. Then you want to tap and hold on it. Now once we are at the Wi-Fi settings page, we gotta choose what network you would like to share the password of. In my case, I'll go with this HardReset.Info 5G network. Simply tap on it, and here all that it's left to do is to click on the share icon. Here, as you can see, right below the QR code, we have the actual password of this very network, which is HardReset. So, well, like from here, you can choose two ways of connecting to the network, either manually finding it on your second device that you were to share the Wi-Fi password with, and respectively manually entering the Wi-Fi password. Or you can just take the device, for example, in my case it is going to be this Nokia Android smartphone, and scan the QR code so your phone will automatically be connected to the network, so you will not have to manually locate it and manually enter the password that is shown right here. So in order for me to scan the QR code, I will go ahead and use the built-in Google Lens feature. Now I'll frame the QR code. Once it gets recognized, I'll tap on it. Alrighty, I gotta choose, switch into the text section of Google Lens, and let me scan the QR code once again. Or should it be still search? Alrighty, let's try once again. Yeah. So once you scan the QR code, you will be provided with the Join Network button, which you want to tap on. And as you can see right now, our Nokia device has been successfully connected to the HardReset.Info 5G network. So, great success. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.